what? It's beach day!
Road trip, come let we go. Road trip, come let we go. Road trip, come let we go.
So today my family and I are going to the beach, and right now we're headed to Maracas, and I'm gonna be taking you all on this little adventure with us. So stay tuned to see how today goes. Continue watching.
When I turn it on, off from my city, high up, no ceiling. When I got that sunshine in my pocket, when you dance, 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 yeah, I got that. So just dance,
on the lookout, and I want to show you all this amazing view. Like, just look at that. We just arrived at the beach, and we parked in the car park right here, and we are about to go to the beach, which is across the road. Okay guys, so we are on the beach now, and this is our little setup. Say hi mom. Hi. Say hi Ali. Right, so the three of us are here, and we have this little umbrella thingy, and we just reached, so I don't think we're gonna bathe just yet. We might just chill out a little bit, take in the view, and then we'll go and bathe and stuff. So Alex gonna give me a taste test.
It's a bun choco creamer.
Okay, so it real hard but it tasting good. So overall, rate it out of 10.
I'll give it 8.9.
8.9, you might as well say 9. 9 out of 10. Alright.
But bear in mind earlier, the ice cream man charged me $20 for this. If you're going to grocery down by you, I'm sure you'll get it for 10.
Yeah, if you're going to Chinese grocery, get it way less. So we just came out the water, and we are really sunburnt, and mommy is watching this stuff, and right now me and Alex on the way to go on my bacon shop. So we just ordered the food, and we have our number here, and me and Alex is just waiting until they call our number, so we'll collect it and then we'll go back. We had to come out of the water really quickly because, well, the rain started to fall and the lifeguard started to blow the whistle, so food was coming out because it was starting to get rough. But hopefully when we finish eat, we'll go back to bathe before we leave to go home. But the day has been going really good so far. How you find the day has been going, Ali?
So far so good, no complaints. We have some really nice weather.
Me and Alex just reached back, and we got the food. It's good? Bacon shack for everybody. I drinking Coke, Caribbean cool, and mommy have a shandy. Give us a pose there, mom. We just finished eating, and the food, it was good. I give it like a 9. How much you give it, mom?
Probably 8.5.
Honestly, this full videos, like reviews to things. Me and mommy just here. We just chilling a little bit. Alex went back in the water. He asked me to go, but I think I just needed some time to digest. But I'll be going back in a while, and then me and mommy probably want to go and get some seashells. The day has been really good so far. How you find the day has been, Mom?
It has been good. It's been a while.
It was
since I
fun,
came to
yeah.
Maracas, so it was good. It was fun.
Yeah, it's been like years, you all, and I know it's so shameful living here in the Caribbean. Guys, so I just came out of the water, and when I tell you all, I am burnt. Like, I have so much sunburn, guys. I could barely recognize myself. And the sad part is I know this is going to take a couple months to go, so that really sucks. But other than that, sunburn can't pay for the fun I had in that water just now. Much charge again, so if it dies I will have to record on Alex's phone. Went and got these snow cones, and the man said that it's made out of real fruit, it's not artificial, and it's pineapple and guava, and honestly it's really sweet, but it's good, it's not bad.